Good evening.
Ah!
What are your plans after the summer?
Open up a computer store.
It's expensive, man. You got money for that?
Where there's a will, there's a way.
It's my dad. Hi, Dad.
She opened up my eyes to a place I never seen.
Do you think everything is okay, Jack?
So deep in love.
What the hell is at the club?
Don't touch me. Your daughter is freaking half naked at parties.
Yvette, please.
You gonna help me with the shop or what?
My parents will kill me if I don't go to college.
Hi, Julie. How are you? That's what you like.
Thanks. When are you actually gonna get the nerves to ask me out?
It's hot right here, man. We're about to get that cheddar.
She's flavor, right?
Yeah.
Start up the shop and that's it, man.
So now I got 5 looking for me?
Someone shot Jean? My son? Oh my God!
Okay, now you're gonna have to tell me exactly what's been going on.
Now come on! I'm in the streets all the time. And all they do is just look for shortcuts.
If you hear of anyone bragging about what happened, please let me know.
Certainly.
None of these kids know a damn thing about it. They don't even know why we call Haiti the Pearl of the Caribbean.
Life outside, everything with a seam, everybody on their crown, homie, some chasing their dream. Get mon maman, gon' bon frère, bon bon set, yo chaque jour na cam, a fait this fait.
I pray God will put this family together.
Haitian and I'm proud. I'm Haitian and I'm proud.
Oh my God, look at him!
I'm Haitian and I'm proud. I'm Haitian and I'm proud. I'm Haitian and I'm proud.
I got boom.